This is amazing. Hey, have I met you? Yeah. Oh, what? Ow! Whoa, what are you? Push. I am. You've guessed it. Wait. I'm flat. Pink. Play-Doh. Whoa, you really are flat as a hydraulic press. Yeah. I'm not flat as a hydraulic press. But look how flat I am. Listen, have you ever met a guy which is even more flatter? Flatty. Yeah, dude, he's way more. He's not even flat. His name is Flatty because he looks flat. Oh, flat Play-Doh. I've got it. Ow! 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 I didn't want it to be that flat, thank you. Ow! 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 Stop making me even more flatter. You're making a mess. Whoa. Yeah, I don't want to see any more messes from me. And this guy's literally doing it. I don't know. Stop it, I said. This guy would never stop doing this. Whoa, now you're in a real flat boy now. Yeah. Oh my gosh, okay, just shut up already. Shut up. What? I don't want to shut butt. Yeah. No, I don't want to shut in your butt. You don't even have a butt. Yes, I do. How can I fart? Yeah. Oh my gosh, you don't really know what's going on with this today. Maybe it's too incorrect. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you're seriously getting annoying. Why are you doing this to me? You're seriously getting annoying too much. No. How long does it take you to stop being annoying? Hey, you're flat. What? Knife. What the hell? Can you please help me? Meh. What the hell are you meaning? Oh my gosh, he's really into flatty boy now. Yeah. Hey dude, not cool taking that away. Yeah.